Now let's begin with roll number 13.
Sir,
Yes,
before
sir.
you move ahead, can I ask you something? I had a doubt.
Please. But if you don't mind, can you ask me later on, because there are many other students whose
Okay,
Viva.
okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Roll number
Sorry, sir.
13.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Show me your notebook. As it
Yes, sir.
book दिखा दो. थोड़ा और close. Yes, index, page number, sheet number, name. Perfect. Very topic. Very good. Now, how many pages
Yes.
it is consisting, beta?
107 pages.
Wow, great. I mean, very happy the way this PG student is learning. And that is why in the beginning I have taken those topics which you have learned before in bachelor courses, except capital budgeting. And if you are the student of any professional program, you must have studied that as well. Okay, fine. Uh, Now let us give bit into cash budget.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, cash flow statement. So
Okay.
Ali is going to talk about cash flow statement.
Cash flow statement basically is a statement which shows the total cash and cash equivalent in coming and outgoing from the company, and it is basically divided into three main parts, that is operating activities, financing activities, and investing activities. And then accordingly we use indirect method. There are basically two method, one direct method and indirect method in cash flow statement. And we solve normally indirect method. In that, we first calculate operating activities, the receipt from operation, and then deducted by the payments. Then we get the net operating activities, and then after we add investing active financing activities, the receipt from financing activities deducted by the payment, and same time with the financing, then investing, and thus we get cash flow statement of a company. Sir, not audible.
To some extent, it is right. Thank you
Yes.
for unmuting me, because when I listen, I always give the chance to students, but it is not exactly what is there as per AS3.
Okay.
So basically, we have to follow accounting standard 3,
Yes, sir.
and it is there in your notebook. Just refer and do the corrections where you did error.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for yourself,
Uh,
write few times
yeah.
cash flow statement. It will
Yes,
be
yes.
better for.
A cash flow statement discloses the net increase or decrease in cash and its equivalent accounting period. AS3 provide cash flow statements. Its main objective is to provide information about cash flows of an enterprise, which is useful for
अभी
users
आपने
and
नहीं बोलना है सोनाली, हमको पता चल
okay.
गया आपको आता है. मैं
अच्छा,
बोला
मुझे
आपके
लगा.
रेफरेंस के लिए. It's not for
अच्छा,
you.
अच्छा. Sorry, sir.
You are things is done. I am very much satisfied. Very good. Keep it up, beta.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
After 13, roll number 15.
Good morning, sir.
15, just show me your notebook as others have maintained. Just show me it. Very correct. Very good. Index page. These are the name. Okay, very good. Super. How many pages you have consumed till today, beta?
70,
On these
sir.
three chapters. Very good. Okay. So again, I will ask from you, in ratios, there were few combined ratios. Okay. PNL ratios are simple. Balance sheet ratios are also very simple. But in combined ratio, at least 5 ratio I expect from you.
Combined ratio, 5 ratio.
So I'm giving you freedom, any 5 ratio.
Any 5 ratio. Like current ratio, quick ratio, net gross profit ratio, uh, and net profit. नहीं.
You have to study.
Debt.
Next time, please study and then
Yes, sir.
come.
Yes, sir.
Next, roll number 18, if I'm not wrong.
Sir, roll number 16 is Shruti Rao. She has gone for the treatment.
You intimated me, no problem.
Yes, sir.
But in class, I'm finding roll number 18, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
17.
17.
17 is also there. 17. So again, you are habituated. Show me your index page and other of assignments. Okay. How many pages it comprises?
Sir, 70.
So these 70 wala bacha log has not done as effective as 120 pages wala bacha log. That is my observation. Okay. Angel, cash flow statement, AS3. मुझे पता था. Any ratios? 5 ratio. नहीं, आप लोगों ने पढ़ाई नहीं करी है, सिर्फ असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करी है. जितने भी बच्चे 70 वाले मिले मुझे, उनको बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ेगा फॉर नेक्स्ट इवैल्यूएशन. ओके, लेट्स गो टू क्वेश्चन. ऑफ कोर्स आपको असाइनमेंट का मार्क्स मिलेगा, बट वाइवा का मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा. रोल नंबर 18.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
मॉर्निंग बेटा. जस्ट शो मी योर असाइनमेंट बुक. थोड़ा और आगे करो. ओके. हाउ मेनी पेजेस इट हैज?
Sir, 100 pages.
बोलने के लिए नहीं बोल रहे ना. शो मी 100
I
पेज.
can show you. Yes, sir.
लास्ट पेज बताओ. Be honest. That is what I expect.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But very good, Vita. Very good. Okay, Mac. I can understand. We can evaluate who is lying. Okay. Same question will goes to you related to cash flow statement only. Can you explain AS3?
About the cash flow statement.
Yes, accounting standard 3, indirect method.
Sir, actually, it gives the cash which comes in the company, the cash adjustments with the company.
I need the entire statement. The format. I think I have given you the format. Am I right, student? There is specific
Yes, sir.
format. So now let us talk about that format. Samrat, there was a
Branding.
let me finish, then I'll answer your query.
Branding, financing, operating, financing, Investments.
आपके नोटबुक में देखो, फिर आपको समझ में आएगा. देखो एंड प्रिपेयर करो. नेक्स्ट रोल नंबर 21. रोल नंबर 21. Same question, beta. Show me your index, page of notebook or assignment book. Very nice. Superb. See how I'm very clearly able to see all this. Very clear. How many pages it consumed, Krishna, till now? Unmute कीजिए आप अपने आप को.
Sir, 75. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Krishna, कैपिटल बजटिंग में जो मॉडर्न, हाँ समझ में आ गया, ठीक है, जो मॉडर्न मेथड है उसके फॉर्मूलाज क्या है?
Sorry, sir.
कैपिटल बजटिंग में देयर आर मॉडर्न मेथड, उसके फॉर्मूलाज क्या हैं?
Sir, actually, idea.
आइडिया इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि आपका भी 70 पेज है. See, as far as
Yes.
today's sample is concerned, it is very clear. Where it was 70 pages, the performance was very poor. Now roll number 26.
Yes, sir.
Samrat, your doubt was regarding capital gearing ratio. When I was teaching that time also I stated it was printographical error. There are 6 balance sheet ratios. आप मेरे वो वीडियो को भी रेफर कर सकते हैं. यस मैम, मैं देख रहा हूँ आपका जितना भी है. तो उसके बाद सारे कंबाइंड रेशियो हैं. और अगर आप देखोगे कैपिटल गियरिंग रेशियो, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर इज फ्रॉम बैलेंस शीट स्टेटमेंट. I hope I have cleared your doubt. Vivek, your turn is yet to come. No problem. You can give your viva. Your roll number is 33. Maima, how many pages your this assignment is there?
Sir, 80 pages.
Okay. Maima, can you tell me that formula for modern method of capital budgeting? How many
सर लास्ट लेक्चर में नहीं थी कैपिटल बजटिंग का, क्योंकि तबीयत थोड़ी खराब थी, इसकी वजह से वो नहीं पता. आप बाकी का कुछ
देखो ऐसे ही बच्चे क्या पूछना है वही डिसाइड करेंगे.
सर.
कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट बताओ.
कैपिटल बजटिंग लेक्चर में नहीं थी मैम.
कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट AS3.
सर सर हिंदी में बोलूंगी चलेगा?
चलेगा.
सर कैश फ्लो से
मैं समझ गया. I think I have missed roll number 20. Roll number 20, please.
Yes, sir.
Show me the assignment notebook. How many pages? Fast, Prachi. how many pages assignment book you have?
Sir, it took like 100 pages.
Okay. Prati, can you tell me modern method of different way to evaluate the capital budget project? There are traditional method and there are modern methods. I'm referring to modern method.
Yes, sir. So I know there is modern method, but I forgot term for it.
These guys have to really work very hard. Okay, they got the marks for assignment, but Viva में they haven't scored good. And I'm very fair. You ask my student, मैं कभी hesitate नहीं करता हूँ बच्चों को fail करने में भी. Those who are absent, अगर उन्होंने 20 में अच्छे मार्क्स लाए तो ठीक है, नहीं तो मैं फेल कर देता हूँ. I'm very particular about all this because I give that much time. Whether it is teaching, whether it is evaluation, मैं सब सिर्फ करने के लिए या दिखाने के लिए नहीं करता हूँ. I put my efforts for the same. And you please follow your mentors. Roll number 2, roll number 3, roll number 12. They were really good. 13, 16. These are quite a few good students we have. Please refer them. They will be very good guides for you all. Okay, so 20 is done, 26 is done. Now next roll number, yes, 28.
Sir, sorry to disturb you in between.
Yes, beta.
Roll number 22 and roll number 24. They both are working students. They have given their letters to Rakhi ma'am. So Rakhi ma'am told me to remind you once that they have given their job letters to Rakhi ma'am. So
You ask
to take
them
care of their
to,
assignment.
give me the video call in the evening and then only I will evaluate. After job timing, I'm
Okay,
ready to
sir.
evaluate. No problem.
Okay, sir.
ये देखो 24 आ
Okay, sir. I
गया.
will convey the message.
24 आ गया.
आइए. हाँ. हाँ, okay, sir. ठीक है.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, 24.
Sir, I'm 24. I'm 28, sir.
24 एक आया बेटा, उसका जॉब का है. Let me finish.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Okay, sir.
24 कितने गेला? अभी मैंने admit किया था उसको. Admit किया कि reject कर दिया रे. Okay. निकिता बोलो हाँ इन दोनों बच्चों को शाम को 9 o'clock फोन
हाँ, सर, मैं बोल
ऑफिस
देती हूँ.
टाइमिंग नहीं है. बट मैं
हाँ,
जब तक
okay, sir, मैं बोल
इवैल्यूएट नहीं
दूँगी.
करूंगा मैं मार्क्स नहीं दूंगा फॉर श्योर.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I am ready to work beyond time.
Yes, sir.
After time, but I want the proper without biasness evaluation for all the students. Yes, 28. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. I will tell them.
Sir, I have actually made in two formats. Sir, I have made a practical book and a theoretical book. In theoretical, I have actually made all fill in the blanks and theory questions.
Very good.
And
Very good,
practical,
Aman.
I have
Good way to have the material with you. No problem.
this. And actually, I didn't have. I had a book, but I made in notes format. So, cause I file it
No
every
worries.
day.
No worries. Just tell me, beta, how many pages it consists, your theoretical and practical
Sir,
together?
I have not written page number, but it approximately is 85 to 90.
Okay. Aman, can you help me with the capital budgeting concept as you have made two different theory and practical books? So how the capital budgeting goes?
So it's basically for decision making purpose. Whether you have to choose a project or whether you uh, you should go with the go ahead with the project, or you can say buy the new machineries and all. So it helps to predict the future and actually gain the present value of every and get the actually the profitability state actually whether you profit from that machinery or any project which helps you in further future. So basic concept is
What are the different methods, beta, through which we can evaluate or we can take certain kind of decisions?
NPV method, net present value, and ARR is there, rates, and PI, profitability index is there. So I remember only three, sir.
Okay. Actually, it is divided into two. In one, time value
Okay.
of money we consider. In another, we do not consider time value of money. So you have to make those provisions. And as far as evaluation, these two categorization is very, very important. Very
Sorry,
good.
sir.
I'm happy. Roll number 29. Okay. Turn the pages, beta. Few more pages. Few more pages. और pages turn करो खुशबू. So likewise, I am going to check, even though I am not physically present, but still I have a very good bacha. How many pages it is? Go to last page. बेटा लास्ट पेज पे चली जाओ. कितने पेजेस हो रहे हैं अप्रॉक्स? How many pages assignment is yours? Got it. Okay, fine. So I want next time onwards like this, I can check your pages also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Khushbu. Again, my question will remain same because I was not 100% happy with the answer which I got from the previous student regarding capital budgeting only. So can you elaborate?
Regarding capital budgeting.
Capital budgeting. Traditional method and modern method. Rest all he has explained.
So are you asking formula?
Yes, beta.
Yeah. So modern method of the capital budgeting, we having a three formula, that is NPV, PI, and IRR, right? NPV is equal to present value of cash inflow divided by F minus present value of cash outflow divided by F. And profitability index, that is PI, is equal to present value of cash inflow minus present value of cash inflow divided by present value of cash outflow. And IRR, that is IRR is equal to lower rate, that is R1 plus in bracket net present value of R1 divided by present value of R1 minus present value of R bracket close into multiplied by R2 minus R1. And about traditional method formula, we having a two formula, that is ARR, and another one is PBP, that is payback period. ARR is equal to average income divided by average investment. Average income is equal to total profit divided by number of years, and average investment, that is opening investment plus closing investment divided by 2. And about PBP, that is payback period, is equal to number of year prior to recovery plus balance recovered divided by cash flow of the year to be recovered. That's it.
Very good. But only you just revise. Initially, both the formula you got confused regarding NPV and PI.
Yeah, right.
In both it is divided by, actually first there is minus. Okay.
Yeah.
One is minus, other is divided by.
Minus and PI divided by, right?
Yes. Rest all she has given very right answer. And in one we consider time value of money, that is modern method. And in another we are never considering time value of money, that is traditional method. Very good, beta. Now we have roll number 31. Roll number 31.
Yes, sir.
Anjali.
Yes, sir.
बताओ कितने पेजेस हैं? Your first page of assignment. And how many other pages are there? Turn the pages.
Sir,
Good. Very good. Very good, bachcha. Now tell me how to calculate the present value or future value of cash flow. Time value of money. Concept of time value of money.
time value of money. Um, I don't know.
Any five formulas of
Any
ratio.
5 formulas. Uh, Current ratio, current assets divided by current liabilities, and current assets divided by current liabilities. Um, quick ratio, quick assets divided by quick liabilities, and formula of profitability index, present value of cash inflow divided by present value of
What you are doing? You are combining two topics. One is from ratio, other is
yes
from
sir.
capital budgeting. No. Last roll number 33.
Sir, hello.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
सर मैं तो रिसेंटली ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ तो मैं ज़्यादा कुछ तो किया नहीं है
जो
क्योंकि
आपको आता बेटा बता दो।
हाँ मुझे अभी तो कैपिटल बजटिंग हो रहा था तो फिर
बता
सर
दीजिए उसके
कैपिटल
बारे में।
हाँ
उसी के बारे में बता दीजिए।
कैपिटल बजटिंग एक्चुअल में बिजनेस में यूज़ होता है क्योंकि तब कोई किसी प्रोजेक्ट में अगर कोई इन्वेस्ट करना हो तो उसकी अकाउंटेबिलिटी या मेजरमेंट के लिए उसे यूज़ करते हैं ताकि रिस्क कम हो और हाँ अगर कैपिटल बजटिंग को ठीक से यूज ना किया जाए तो फिर वो दैट्स द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ऑफ बिजनेस कंपनी while making
मैंने केस
decision.
स्टडीज भी दिए थे बेटा।
केस स्टडीज मींस
कौन कौन से कंपनी ने कैपिटल बजटिंग को नहीं देखा और उनका बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हो गया। मैंने किंगफिशर का एग्जांपल दिया था, मैंने रिलायंस टेलीकॉम का एग्जांपल दिया था। एम आई राइट श्रीहरि निकिता?
He was not there at the time. He has joined
Yes, sir.
college.
But
लेक्चर के बीच में ज्वाइन हुआ था सर, रिसेंटली ज्वाइन हुआ है हमको।
ओके वेरी गुड, बट देन आल्सो यू ट्राइड मच बेटर देन मेनी प्रीवियस स्टूडेंट्स। वेल
सर एक चीज वो आपका लेक्चर कब से स्टार्ट हुआ था?
मेरा लेक्चर कभी से भी स्टार्ट हुआ था बेटा। सबके लिए मैं बोल देता हूँ लेक्चर्स आर अवेलेबल ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल।
नहीं मतलब सर आपका लेक्चर दिसंबर से स्टार्ट है, नवंबर से स्टार्ट है?
नो नवंबर या दिसंबर, आई थिंक निकिता दिसंबर से
December 5.
दिसंबर।
ओके नहीं मैं जनवरी के बीच में ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ
कोई
इसकी
बात
वजह से।
नहीं, देयर आर अदर स्टूडेंट हु विल हेल्प यू। काइंडली बी इन टच विद रोल नंबर 3।
Sorry, sir, to interrupt, sir. Roll number 31. She's also new admission. 1 week prior only she got admission. Rakhi ma'am
Yes.
told me.
नो प्रॉब्लम,
Roll number 31.
चलेगा।
Yes, sir.
31 also got very good
Yes,
marks.
sir.
I mean, she has got good marks. Okay.
अगली बार से असाइनमेंट करके लाऊंगा।
करना ही पड़ेगा, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है मेरे पास।
हाँ सर।
मैं यूजी पीजी पीएचडी तक ऐसे ही इवैल्यूएट करता हूँ बच्चों को
ओके सर।
रेगुलर बेसिस में, so that they
सर
should
रोल नंबर 24 is trying to join but हो नहीं रहा है join
वही
उसका।
वही मैं बोला ना, मैंने उसको शायद रिजेक्ट कर दिया ना, इसकी वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है।
सर अभी भी उसने 1-2 बार किया था ज्वाइन, पर वो बोली उसका मेरे को मैसेज आया था कि उस मतलब वेटिंग रूम में दिखा रहे पर सर ले नहीं रहे हैं अंदर।
अरे नहीं, मैं उसको एंट्री करने के चक्कर में ना मैंने उसको रिजेक्ट कर दिया ना, तो शायद वो नहीं आ पा रही है। बोले इमीडिएटली ये लेक्चर के बाद मुझे फोन करेगी, मैं वाइवा ले लूंगा उसको
अच्छा ठीक है सर, मैं बोल देती हूँ।
और मार्क्स दे दूंगा।
ओके सर।
Okay, dear student of PG MCOM E-commerce, I think you must have realized how.
सर मेरा डाउट सम्राट
हाँ बोल।
कैपिटल गियरिंग वाला।
मैं बोला ना, तू नहीं सुन रहा था क्या? बीच में ऑन करके चला गया था।
नहीं सर, सुन रहा था
कि बुक
सर
में
वो, लेकिन मैंने
वो बुक में क्या वो प्रिंटोग्राफिकल एरर है, उसका फॉर्मूला बताओ। फंड्स विद फिक्स इंटरेस्ट एंड डिविडेंड डिवाइड बाय फंड्स विदाउट फिक्स इंटरेस्ट एंड डिविडेंड।
फ्लक्चुएटिंग इंटरेस्ट।
हाँ, तो वो कहाँ रहता है? दोनों फंड्स कहाँ रहते हैं?
बैलेंस शीट में सर। श्रीहरि ने बता दिया, श्रीहरि ने बताया।
तो फिर वापस तू वही चीज पूछ रहा है। मैं अभी सबके बीच में एक्सप्लेन किया था।
Sir, I had another doubt.
बोल।
Sorry to interrupt.
2 मिनट है मेरे को बोलना है, बोल।
हाँ तो sir, actually in the ratio analysis I have learnt a different type of classification.
No problem.
Based हाँ तो can I follow that?
Yes,
Because I'm more convenient with
yes, 100%. 100%.
the different classification. May I tell you, so you
I
can
know
check if it is correct.
liquidity,
Liquidity ratio, solvency ratio,
I know.
and turnover ratios,
I know.
and
that.
last the profitability ratio.
I know
Right.
that, but that is not very common name. So that is why I have modified. My base was also same,
Yes,
but
sir.
उससे ज़्यादा मैंने इसको simplify करा है. So rather 4, we have only 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But if you are comfortable with that, I don't have any issue.
Okay, sir.
Students, very important that you should have continuous learning habit, and there are quite a few students to whom I can trust. They are of course regular in lecture. I know, may it be roll number 2, 3, 12, 29. They are almost attended all the lectures. You can see that. Okay, and they are your mentors. So, and I also request them कि अगर कोई नया बच्चा आ रहा है और someone has any doubt, it is your role and your job first to explain them. उसके बाद भी अगर नहीं समझ में आता है, then they can approach me, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think tomorrow onwards
Yes,
we will
sir.
start with the new topic. Am I right?
Yes,
We
sir.
have to again finish 2-3 new things, which is very important. But for your exam, till here will be the syllabus. For your internal, only these 2 units will be there. So there are 2 things.
Sir, for
There is. Let me finish. There will be 2 things. Either you can tell me tomorrow again. I'll take the revision of these unit 1 and 2, and next week onwards, again with the fresh mind, we will start with new chapter.
Yes, sir. The revision idea is good.